Theorem number 6.1. When two straight lines intersect each other, then prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Here you see AB and CD are two straight lines which intersect each other where? At O. Now two pair of vertically opposite angles you are getting. One is AOB, BOC, one pair of vertically opposite angles, and another is AOC and BOD, vertically opposite angles. You have to prove this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. When you are going to prove the theorem, first of all you write the figure. This theorem will be given in the question paper, so no need of writing this one. First of all you have to draw the figure. After that, if given, then you have to write given A, B, C, D, etc. If given is not there, letters are not given, then you have to mention let so and so. For example, let AB and CD be two straight lines which intersect each other at O. After that, you have to write to prove. What is you have to do? That you have to write to prove. And then in the if you have to modify the figure, suppose sometime construction will be needed, so you have to modify the figure also. Construction is what? Modification in the figure. After that you will do proof, and in the last you have to write hence proof. So you note the points. Figure. After that let or given you will write. After that to prove. After that, if modification in the figure is required, then you write construction and then proof. So each and every point you explain nicely. Here I am going to start. After figure, let AB and CD be two straight lines. Let AB and CD be two straight lines which intersect each other at O. AOD, angle AOD angle BOC and angle AOC and BOD and AOD, BOC and AOC, like that, AOC and BOD are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Now what we have to do? We have to prove AOD, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. means this angle is equal to this angle. BOC, AOD is equal to BOC. And AOC, this angle AOC is equal to BOD, angle BOD. I think you understood. Now I am going to rub the above portion. To prove, after proof, here is proof we are going to do. Proof. You see, don't do the spelling mistake here. To prove, PROVE, and proof, PROOF. Here construction is not required, so I have written proof only. Here you see, CD is a straight line. CD is a straight line, and on CD, this angle and this angle together form what? A straight angle. So these two together will be 180 degree linear pair. You can write, since CD is a straight line, therefore what we have to write? This angle plus this angle means angle AOC plus BOD. AOC, you see this angle is AOC, and again which angle? AOD, angle AOD is equal to, you can write 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because this angle plus this angle together it will be a straight angle. So they will be called linear pair also. This is equation 1. Linear pair. Linear pair. Or you may write linear pair, you write, or you simply write a straight angle. Both will be okay. This is equation number 1. Again you see, you keep this angle common. Again AB is the straight line. Again AB is a straight line. Therefore, what you can write? AB is a straight line means what? AOD. This angle plus this angle, again it will be a straight angle or linear pair. Angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Equation 2. Linear pair or a straight angle pair. From 1 and 2 you see two equations you got. One equation is here, another equation is here. In both cases you are getting 180 degree in the right hand side. So these two and these two will be equal because both are equal to 180 degree. So from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 we get, what we get? AOC, angle AOC plus angle BAOC plus AOD. AOD is equal to, you see AOC plus AOD is equal to, here you see AOD plus BOD. Here you see both sides. Why we are adding these two together 180 degree, these two together 180 degree. You see in both the equation. Now what is common in both? AOD is common. So both sides of the equality symbol, equal quantity will be cancelled. You see nicely. So what in the last you are getting? AOC, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Similarly, so one proof you got, AOC, here you see AOC is equal to BOD. AOC is equal to BOD, you got. In the last, what you are supposed to write? In the last, you write similarly, you will get similarly. SLY you write, so we can prove that, similarly we can prove that, which one is left? AOD is equal to BOC. Angle AOD is equal to BOC. No need of writing. It is okay. BOC. I think you understood. Hence proved. Hence proved. I think you understood. Up to here only. This is the last.